Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with all y'all this quick and easy old-fashioned vanilla frosting. In my large bowl I have a half a cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And into our butter we're going to add in 4 tablespoons of whole milk. Or you can use half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. 1/4 of a teaspoon of pure almond extract to give it a little extra flavor. And 4 cups of powdered sugar that's sifted. I love this recipe because all in the dump in the bowl. And we're going to cream these together until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, there you have it. That's how simple and easy it is to make old-fashioned vanilla frosting. See how nice and smooth that is? Doesn't that look good? Gorgeous. Perfect for your cupcakes, French vanilla cake, confetti cake, whatever your heart desires. And I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Much love.